She's a 5, but she can make a mean-ass meatloaf.
What sauce do you use?
2 pounds of hamburger meat, a little bit of wash your sister sauce.
I have to wash my sister to get sauce?
Mel, are you straightening the gay flag?
What's wrong with your sandwich?
Hold on. Her dad and I want to do it on the couch, so don't come out. Okay?
What the fuck?
No, TikTok's just going to get banned and then I'm going to lose all my drafts. That's why I'm mad.
Well, when your grandfather was your age, he wasn't worried about TikTok drafts. He was worried about the military draft. So think about that.
He should have been worried. He got sniped 2 months in.
Wow. Well, guess I'm gonna sew it myself. The heck? Mama! What's going on here?